Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set notifications in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on settings. And here under my account, if you scroll down a little bit, we tap on notifications. And here we can tap on enable notifications to let the app send the notifications to our phone. If notifications are turned off, we can turn them off. If notifications are turned on, we can turn them off the same way, just here. And yeah, it's basically that's it. You can either turn it on or turn it off. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.